Hello, hi everyone. This is Sam here from WPVender. Today I'm excited to share with you our new project that we delivered a month or two ago. But we did work on it almost the entire 2024 and a little bit of 2025. And I'm like, really excited because this is a headless WordPress project and we are very proud of this. Even though we have worked on other headless, this one is definitely one of our superstars, our gemstone. So this has over 3 million service providers in healthcare industry, and we created it from scratch, from wireframe. Initially started with wireframe and then mockups and so on. We will get a chance to take a quick look at some of those stuff from the early days, and yeah, we'll check it out. Some of the awesome features that we developed with this project, and it's a headless. Obviously, front end is headless on React, and backend is WordPress. Plus, we have used CubeWP framework, and there was a lot of custom development on top of CubeWP framework, which is a dynamic content framework, somewhat similar to, you can say, ACF toolset or Croco blocks out there, but it's definitely uh, in a lot of ways better. So we will take a look at that in a bit. So let's get started. Let me jump right into it. Give me a second. Okay, so this is what we're going to be talking about today, Findhealthcare USA. But before I jump into showing you guys, I want to go back and show you where this all started. When we first started with the client, the design was something like this. I have it in Figma. It's a little messed up right now, the screenshots and stuff, but you get an idea of the look and feel, how this homepage was, and the archive page was something like this, and the detail page was something, I don't know if I even have that, but what we did was, the first thing was we went and started working on the wireframe in Figma. So this was different iterations we were working on for the detail page, the archive page, and hold on, if I have a better version here, maybe this is a better version where, okay, yeah, so this was the wireframe. With a search, there is boxes with all the top services, articles, and yeah, just a hero header. Now, the cool thing that we wanted to add was, I mean, the one of the requirement was adding a lot of ad spots or ad placements throughout the site on every page, and give users the control to basically choose. So we even added extra pages like a loader page where user can display an ad um, on the even on what you call, yeah, this is the redirect page. So that's that, and there were other pages as well. So let me jump into the final design that came out to be, was something like this. And we did this in Figma, and then we had a lot of other pages and a lot of iterations of the sponsored cards versus the organic. You can see the search and the filter and the detail page. Yeah, so this is the pop-up on the home page for some of the categories. This is claim form for the listings. This was basically the loader for basically giving an additional space for ads and to monetize and stuff. So these are some additional pages like about us and whatnot. So as far as the listing submission was concerned, it was more of a step-by-step process that we designed for the client, and with live preview as well. So everything the client entered, they can basically see on the site, and there were two different types, a couple of different type, free, premium, multi-location, and whatnot. So each of them had slightly different workflow. So now you have taken a quick look at most of the core features. I want to take a look at the pricing plan. There were additional pages and sub pages for pricing plan, like for featured listing and for banner ads. This is for all sort of placement ad spots that you can place your ad as an advertiser. So it would give a quick preview on the right and whatnot. So this was all designed in the in Figma, every step, and then it was later. Then we also have a dashboard here. Yeah, for the listings and few other I mean all the required items here. My listing, banner ads, articles. The client wanted a option to give users the capability to create a blog post from the front end user dashboard. So we were able to pull off, using CubeWP framework for that, and obviously a lot of work was also done on the React and JS side. But let's jump right into the actual product. So what's the end result here? Let's see. So the client wanted the search to be less than about 3 seconds or less, because that was their benchmark, and we were able to achieve that. Let me search here. There you go. So all these ads can be changed by, like, user can submit their ad placement, and there are featured listings. Maybe we'll take a look at later on. And here's these are simple free listings, not the paid listings. Let me find a paid listing, and then we can take a look at that. Meanwhile, let me log in here on a staging. I'm going to show you adding a new business. How does that look like? So let's do this one, single location. And if I were to choose doctor, dentist, accidental dentist, John Doe, you can see on the right hand side, I can enter blah blah blah. If I enter the address in the next step, you can see my address is listed here. I'll hit next. I can update the hours. Hit next. You choose language, next social media, and so on. Upload an image. Sorry. Yeah, let me see if I can find one. I found something, and then I can submit. Yeah, so, well, I have to enter additional information, and boom, I can go ahead and submit that. So that's pretty straightforward front-end submission process. Here's the ad placement, where there are all these spots available on homepage, search page, or other things like website exit, confirmation ad, search transition. So yeah, there are two different. If user is trying to exit website, there is a search. There is a similar transition box where we can place an ad to give that extra clicks, claim page, and so on. So user can come here, choose whatever option they want, or they can select all, and then they can go to the next page here. They can upload all their the correct ad banner sizes, and they can check out. I haven't uploaded I haven't given title or uploaded the images, so it's probably not going to let me upload. Yeah, it says I upload the banners and stuff. So once you upload, your ad will be in the queue, and it will show based on number of other ads and what the plan you choose, basically. So just to give you that again idea here, let me just go back, deselect all. I'm just going to select this guy. I'm going to hit next. I'm going to upload an image, and it's going to save. Maybe I need to upload a link too. I'm just going to do something like that. I'm going to pick a plan, recurring, per month, annually, and I'm going to hit next. And this will take me to the cart where I can proceed to check out. Yeah, this is just a staging site, so it might not work. And then what we can do is we can probably try going to the dashboard. Yeah, you fill out the details and check out. So here we are. Give me a second here. So here we are in the dashboard. So this is an example of a listing. You can edit any listing, or you can obviously add my bad banner, again you have to go and add a banner. This is actually right now on staging, so yeah, so you can go ahead and do that. Once you complete that, you can see all the banners that you created. Here's the option to create a blog post from frontend, and these are bookmarking in your profile. Yeah, so this is basically what you can do here. Let me show a couple of other features. Yeah, this was just a pop-up. Yeah, so there was a lot of ad spots that were inserted to maximize the monetization for this project. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and do like a search for dentist, and we're gonna do the zip code, and there you go. So this is a sponsored listing with additional call to actions. Yeah, so this is, let's see if I can get anything else. Yep, so this is pretty cool. So let's go and see the detailed page here. So with more details, with images, contact, timing, make an appointment, click to visit, get direction, copy address. Yep, there you go. Yeah, before we end this call, I wanted to quickly take a look at the backend so you get an idea of what's going on there as well. So now what we're gonna take a look at here is CubeWP. You can see in CubeWP we have different post types. Listing, okay, we have listing, and we have multiple taxonomies. Everything, the single plugin will give you full control on building an advanced dynamic directory website like this, or any other dynamic website. Custom fields. Advanced custom fields, and there's also theme builder, so you don't really need like Elementor Pro. You can you don't have to pay for Elementor Pro license. You can have yeah, this is just a custom fields for claim form apparently. This is the search builder here. And you can choose listings. You can see the search is created, the search form on the home page is created using CubeWP, and similarly the search filter is also using CubeWP here. The post loop is basically the cards, the preview cards, or the listing cards. Here, let's see. Yeah, that was all. This is all custom developed, I think, so that's why it's not showing up here for this project. Yeah, so there's a lot that was covered using CubeWP, and a lot was custom built, so you might see some things that might seem coming from CubeWP, but that's not the case. That's why I was a little confused. This is the dashboard, front-end dashboard. You can use CubeWP to build front-end dashboards, and now even advanced KPIs and stuff can be displayed. I believe theme builder is not being used in this case, as far as I know. Okay, there is the footer that is coming from the theme builder. So just to give you an idea, here we have we talked about banner slots and stuff, so there are a lot of banner slots here, and yeah, so other than that, I would say it was definitely a fun project with importing over 3 million providers. Definitely was a task, but we are quite happy with the results we got with Findhealthcare. But definitely there is always room for improvement. Let me know what you think about this project. You can go visit findhealthcare.com and try it out, and you can leave a comment, things that you liked or you disliked, and yeah, we'll appreciate any feedback. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and we will love to see you again for our next video. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful rest of the week. Bye bye.